Ha ka bayade bat ka jingdawa ka HYC ban wengno ya ka OST Center na Civil Hospital. Nakalyang ka menteri ka kot ka kya ka kong amperin lingdo ha ka arpusaw tarik unailur ahja arpusaw. Kalayat hu ba katanat kan amla ban weng ya ka OST ka badan ha Civil Hospital na mar ka long persya katkum ka an da ka bakdawru ba ka jingweng ya ka ni kamde kalat ban weng ya ki jinge ha ka bayade bat ki balangop ha ka jing di drugs. Kamentri kalau ong ru ba katnat kan wat kilat Lynti ban kampen bhai kurukom Treilang ka OST ha Civil Hospital. Kamentri kalau Kyntu ru ya ka HYC ban Wan Shakhmat ban yarap ya ka Sorkar ban wat ikilat Lynti ban wengi kini kijing e.
So I have had a long discussion that day. It was brought to my attention, and there was this demand to remove that OST center there, but unfortunately the law does not allow us to go that direction. We now need to figure out why is it that there are these gaps in the system. We need to figure out what are the ways and means to do it. Very happy that the Drug Users Association also came forward. They are also now handling it. Volunteers are being provided. Don't just chase people away and put them into boxes further away from reach of assistance. That's not the way to function. And there are laws that are governing all of these actions. I have requested the HYC to please allow us to attend to this matter in a proper manner. There are laws that are guiding us, and we cannot operate outside of the purview of law. So they are in agreement. I've requested them to come forward to help us, help the government. If you see that there are these antisocial elements, instead of wanting to shun them away, let's find a way to help them. That's the only way we have to handle this, because no other way will be permitted as per law. So please give us time. We need to house that center in a better manner. We need to provide proper counseling. We need to provide proper facilities so that we enroll those that have gone away from mainstream. We have to try and bring them to the mainstream in a proper manner, without judging anyone, without targeting anyone. Like this, though, everything will go into a crisis situation. We should not allow that to happen. Please believe that this government is concerned, and we are going to be working out ways and means to sort this whole problem out.